Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet in just few minutes. Let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the wallet app. If you already have cards added, you'll see them here, but if not, that's perfectly fine. Now look at the top right corner and then tap the plus sign. Then here select debit or credit card and tap continue. And here you'll be asked to add your card details. You have the three options. Tap to add by holding your iPhone near your physical card. You can enter the details manually like their name, card number, expiry date or CVV, or use iPhone's camera to scan the card. Once the information is added, you'll need to verify your card. Your bank may send a code via text, email, or call, and just follow the on screen steps. And then, after successful verification, your card will be ready to use for purchases anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.